When teaching distance or displacement time graphs, I like to get students to draw on mini whiteboards what I'm doing whilst I'm walking. Here are some examples. 3, 2, 1, go. Walking at constant speed, it should be an upward sloping line of constant gradient. Next, you might slow down partway through and the gradient should decrease once you've slowed down. If students have mastered those, you might try walking out slowly, stop, and then go back quickly. And if it's a displacement time graph, then the displacement should decrease to 0 as you return to your starting point. You can extend students by gradually accelerating, which means the gradient should gradually increase, leading to this curved graph. Or you can start quickly and gradually decelerate, leading to the gradient decreasing and it curving the other way. I find it helpful when doing these with students to give a countdown of 3, 2, 1, go when I'm starting the actual time for the drawing of the distance time graphs.